Correlogram. A correlogram is a graphical representation of a correlation matrix. In simple terms, it helps us visualize the relationship between multiple variables in a data set. Before understanding a correlogram, let's quickly recall what correlation means. Correlation tells us the degree of relationship between two variables on a scale of -1 to +1. If both variables increase together, it is called positive correlation. If one variable increases while the other decreases, it is called a negative correlation. And if there is no clear relationship, the correlation is close to zero. A correlogram transforms a correlation matrix into a visual representation using colors and shapes of different sizes, making it easier to quickly identify patterns, relationships, and trends within the data. In this section, we'll see how to create and interpret a correlogram using an example on raisins. At the Data Analysis section, click on the Correlation Analysis module. Upload your dataset on the Analysis Results tab, select your variables and click on the Run Analysis button, where your results will be generated in seconds. Now, head on to the Plots and Graphs tab, where you'll get the correlogram of your analysis. This figure shows the correlation plot, also known as the correlogram. Here, the variables are labeled from character 1 to character 7 along both the rows and columns. Each circle in the grid represents the correlation coefficient between two variables. Let's understand how to read this plot. First, notice the diagonal values. Each variable is perfectly correlated with itself, so the correlation coefficient is 1. That is why we see the largest circles along the diagonal. Next, look at the circles outside the diagonal. The size and color intensity of each circle represent the strength of the correlation. Larger and darker circles indicate a stronger correlation. Smaller and lighter circles indicate a weaker correlation. The numbers inside the circles show the exact correlation coefficient. The legend or the color scale on the right ranges from -1 to +1. Values closer to +1 represent strong positive correlations like the character 2 and character 5 with a correlation coefficient of 0.82. Values closer to -1 represent strong negative correlations like the character 3 and character 6 with a correlation coefficient of -0.71. Values near 0 indicate weak or no correlation like the character 1 and character 7 represented by very small circles. So, in summary, each cell compares two variables. Size and color represent correlation strength. The numerical values provide exact correlation coefficients, and the overall plot gives a quick visual understanding of relationships within the data. At Raisins, you can customize your plots and change the features of the graph, including colors, titles, and a lot more. After customization, you can download your plot in any format and can be directly used for all your publications. Raisins, the future of research begins here.